silent and not say anything. Any oral or written statement may be used in evidence. You understand that?
Oh my God. My doors will be locked.
We're just scared that it might be somebody we know, someone that's we thought was, sweet guy or sweet lady.
I knew the lady. I don't think she had any enemies.
Is about a murder. The absurd circumstances that led up to that moment.
Imagine whatever you think to be the very worst possible thing you could see in the middle of the night, and then multiply that by about 6, and maybe you'd have it.
And, well, I'd like to have an affair.
Didn't make any apologies for what she'd done. She maintained that it was self-defense.
Goes down. That morning, she'd driven to Betty's house to pick up a bathing suit for Betty's daughter, Elisa.
Imagine whatever you think to be the very worst possible thing you could see in the middle of the night, and then multiply that by about 6, and maybe you'd have it.
We're just scared that it might be somebody we know, someone that's we thought was, sweet guy or sweet lady.
You have the right to remain silent and not say anything. Any oral or written statement may be used in evidence. You understand that?